What? You know, it's me. It's me. It really is. It's me. Everything, right, is in exactly the right place. It is, yeah. It's really uncanny. Yeah. Hey, didn't ever like that. Me, alright. Everything, right, is in exactly the right place. You know, I'm talking nose, mouth, and eyes, I mean, come on. You can't get any more than that. Max than that. Right, it's the AI version. See? A bit younger. Identical. Yeah. Even the pupils are in the right place because it's me. It's me. It's me, everyone. That's my photo. I took it just 30 seconds ago. I'm in bed. I looked to a man, actually. Depending on the lighting and all sorts of things as well. But, when I looked at the AI, this picture here of the Mercury AI image, that's me. I mean, that is me. That's one look for me. It's quite a sort of a worn-out look. I haven't got brown eyes. I've got blue eyes, so change eyes to blue. I never wear my hair like that, and my beard doesn't actually grow like that. It grows but if you shave all his hair off and give him a modern haircut, which I'm going to try and do in a minute, I think you'll find that it's me. Pretty much almost, because this is, what's this? This is going to spook you out a little bit. I think it will spook you out really, because, like I say, look at the, for example, well, have a look yourself. That is exactly, look at his eyes, like I had a second ago. I mean, look at that. We're talking here about an eyeball to eyeball socket match. You know, I mean, like I say, that's absolutely every feature. Like I said, every feature of mine matches identically to the Turin Shroud facial structure. I think I'm a little bit fatter than Jesus was when he died, and certainly my face does get a little bit sharper. I think the image of Jesus is a little bit, well, it's a skinnier person. I mean, I'll lose a bit of weight and do it again, but so I've transposed that on top, and I think, that's me. I'm telling you, it's me. It really is me. Right, I mean, I'm 50, and this is an image of someone who's 33, right? Sorry. But we're talking about the dimensions here. Okay? Right. I mean, that... Is this recording still? Okay, so, you see what I mean? That's me, yeah? I mean, it's me, it's my feature, it's my nose, that's my nose. That's the position of my eyes, exactly the position of my eyes, it's exactly the position of my mouth. Yeah, I mean...
Okay, what's up going everywhere? Go holding it.
You see? See? Obviously, depending on if you're smiling a little bit more, or curling your mouth down. But we're talking about the actual features, dimensions here. So change my facial expression. And like I say, change my facial expression a little bit. Very spooky. It's Russ Brown coming through. It's Russ Brown from the past. Yeah, from 2,000 years ago, actually, to be precise. So there you go. So if you want to know, if you reincarnate and look exactly the same, guess what? You do. It's brilliant. You know, good. You can thank me for that. So should we have a look? Match this one up again. So let me just do that. If you don't mind, with the blender.
It's me.